will learn A to Z alphabets. A to Z alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. Is this D? No. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. Is this H? No. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. G for jug. G for jug. K for kite. K for kite. Is this L? No. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. Is this P? No. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. Is this T? No. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. Is this X? No. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.